guys, so today I'm going to be getting things ready for the snowstorm that's going to hit tonight. Uh, they're talking, I think it's 3 to 8 inches of snow with 50-mile-an-hour winds, so it's going to be a pretty decent snow, it sounds like. So today I'm just getting things ready. One of the things is getting the tractor greased up, making sure it's all greased and fueled up and ready to go. Another thing is I'll be cleaning up the chicken coop and tack room. Just getting all the dust out of there. Over a course of a month it gets pretty bad. The dust in there gets pretty thick. So yeah, I'll be doing that. And most of that is caused from the chickens kicking up dirt in their pens, because it's a dirt floor in there, so it creates a lot of dust. And yeah, that's what I'll be doing today, so come along with me. Guys, our tack room and chicken coop is all finished. It's all clean, looks a lot better, smells a lot better. Came out pretty good. It's nice and clean. It's still a little dusty, but nowhere near what it was. It looks a lot better. Got the heater all clean. Chickens are happy. Tack room's all clean. Got the floor all clean in here. There was a bunch of feathers on the floor here because they were molting not too long ago. So I got those all picked up and cleaned up. And yeah, hopefully you guys can hear me. All these chickens in here making noises. But yeah, I'm gonna run over to the shop real quick, get the tractor ready, get it greased and fueled up, and yeah, take you guys along. Guys, so I'm going to start greasing our tractor here. So basically every moving part on the tractor, there should be a grease cert. And there's a lot of moving parts on this tractor. So I gotta go around and find every grease cert on here and make sure I get it greased really good. Okay, that's one down, a couple thousand to go. Guys, so I got all the grease certs around the tractor. The only ones I have to get yet are up underneath the tractor. There's a couple more under there for some linkages for the gas pedal on the tractor, which we've been having problems with lately. It's been sticking a lot, so I'm going to go under there and make sure I get those greased real good, and hopefully that fixes our problem. Okay, that should be the tractor. It should be all done now. I just have to get some diesel for it and it should be ready for the snowstorm. Guys, I got some diesel. Hopefully this will give us a good 3/4 of a tank. It's pretty low. This is going to take a while. Guys, we got the tractor fueled up here. Now see how much fuel we got. Let's see if I can get a better look here. We got almost a full tank, so that'll be good enough for this storm. That way we got plenty of gas for this storm that's supposed to hit tonight. And it also looks like we gotta do a regen on it. So I probably should do that real quick. So basically a regen on a tractor, all it is you raise your RPMs up high enough where you get the engine running pretty good, which builds heat, and it gets hot enough to clean out your exhaust system on the tractor. And that's basically all it does. It just gets real hot, cleans out the exhaust system, keeps the exhaust system nice and clean and working properly. And yeah, so every once in a while you gotta clean it out. So yeah, so basically you just raise your RPMs up real good, and you basically just wait. The engine will get hot enough, burn everything out of the exhaust system, and you got a nice clean exhaust system. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing here. Guys, the regen on the tractor is finished. It's filled up, got it greased. Got the chicken coop and tack room cleaned up a little bit, and we're ready for the storm. So yeah, see how much snow we get this time around. It sounds like this will probably be the most snow we've gotten so far this year, from what it sounds like. So yeah, I think that will be it for today. So please make sure you give it a thumbs up. This video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you'd like to see more videos, press that subscribe button, turn on notifications. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys next time.